In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $245 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my method. I will share with you which services I was promoting on Pinterest, because you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I can do this step by step, share with you my method. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, I made $245, and as you can see in my balance, it's paid. Okay, so I received this money on my PayPal account, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you my method. Okay, so for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page over here and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, boost your earning by driving traffic to Fiverr. So to join Fiverr affiliates, you just need to click over here on join now, and if you want to get more information about commission, you can click over here on commission plan, so you can get ideas about how much you will earn for each services. So for some services, they are paying up to $150 just for one service. Okay, so what you need to do, just click over here on join now. Like I said, you will be directly in this Fiverr page that you need to sign up. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name here, your last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Okay, you will answer a few questions. Do you have any main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, choose your language, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's okay, just click on next and answer next few questions, and that's all. As you can see, it's really easy and simple, so anyone can sign up. You just need to follow those steps. Okay, so after you finish your sign up process to Fiverr affiliate, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page. Okay, go back to Fiverr, to your home page. So now I'm gonna share with you which service you need to promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So click over here, click on the search and search for ads. Okay, search for ads, because this service is a really good service and profitable service, because there are a lot of people of Etsy seller account that are using Pinterest to get more sales and make more money. So this ads, this service, this Fiverr affiliate service about ads will be interested for those people who are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy products. Okay, that's why I choose this service. Not just for Etsy sellers, there are a lot of people are using Pinterest to get more sales and get more traffic to their websites. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Okay, so if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have a lot of reviews, they are like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated seller, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So you cannot choose any sellers on Fiverr. You need to choose good sellers. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna choose, for example, I will choose this one. So for example, as you can see, this one is pro seller. Okay, he has 5-star, a lot of reviews, and he can do Facebook and Instagram ads for sales. Okay, I will click on his service, and you will be directly in his profile page. As you can see, people keep coming back, so this means that the seller is providing good service for his customers. He has almost 14 orders in queue, top rated seller. What you need to do is you need to copy his profile link. Just copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page over here. So what you need to do, just click over here and put this seller profile link here and click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do, so you just click here and copy this link. Then what you need to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. You just need to sign up by user email address, and make sure to open business account, not personal account. Okay, so choose business account. After you finish your sign up process to Pinterest, this will be your home page. So just click over here on create and click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down and put your affiliate link here. This is my affiliate link. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need title, description and picture about this affiliate service. How you can do this, just go back to this seller page on Fiverr and copy his title. You are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. Go back to Pinterest, put this title over here. Let's go back to his profile picture, his profile page. Scroll down about this guy. This is his description. I'm gonna copy just this part to show you. Let's go back to Pinterest, put this description here, picture about this service. Let's go back to this is his picture. Click on the picture like this, double click, save image. I'm gonna name it, for example, Facebook ads. Save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here on this icon over here and upload your picture. Okay, this is the picture. Open, here you go. This is your picture, this is your title, description, your affiliate link. What you need to do, click on publish and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. And this service is a really good service and profitable. Okay, so if you start promoting this service, you can earn commission. Okay, and of course it's just for free. You don't need to use any paid ads. Just use Pinterest to promote your affiliate links. So if you click over here on see your pin, your affiliate link will be like this. This is your affiliate link. This is this picture about your affiliate service, title, description, and your affiliate link over here again, and here you go. That's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video with your friend, and this is a free method that you can guys use. You don't need to go to Udemy or buy any courses. You can just use this method that I show you, and you can start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing for free without paying any money for paid ads. Okay, and it's easy and simple, as you can see. So that's all, and see you in my next video.